Darga music refers to the devotional and spiritual music performed at dargas, shrines, or tombs of Sufi saints in the Indian subcontinent and other regions influenced by Sufism. This music is deeply rooted in the Sufi tradition and aims to inspire spiritual connection, devotion, and transcendence. Below is a detailed overview. Key elements of Darga music, 1 genres. Qawwali, a primary form of music at dargas featuring group singing, with harmonium tabla and dolak lyrics often praise Allah, the Prophet Muhammad, and Sufi saints. Nahat and Hamd, devotional recitations in praise of Allah and the Prophet. Mankabat, songs in praise of Sufi saints. 2. Instrumentation. Harmonium, a key instrument providing melody. Tabla dolak for rhythmic beats. Clapping, an integral part of qawwali to create energy and connection. Sometimes traditional instruments like sitar or sarangi are used for classical undertones. Third language, primarily in Urdu, Hindi, Persian, Punjabi, or Arabic. Verses often derive from Sufi poetry, written by saints like Rumi, Amir Khusrau, or Bulleh Shah. Fourth themes, love and devotion to the divine, unity and spiritual enlightenment, yearning for closeness to Allah. Notable dargas and their musical heritage. 1. Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah, Delhi, India, known for weekly qawwali sessions, especially during yours, death anniversary of saints. Famous qawwals, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, Sabri brothers have performed compositions inspired by this dargah. 2. Ajmer Sharif Dargah, Rajasthan, India. Dedicated to Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, this shrine hosts Grand Qawwali performances during Urs festival. Third Data Darbar, Lahore, Pakistan. Known for traditional Sufi music and performances celebrating Hazrat Data Ganj Bakhsh. Fourth, shrines in Sindh, Pakistan. Shrines like Lal Shahbaz Kalandar are renowned for Damal, a rhythmic and ecstatic dance performed to dol beats. Occasions for Dargah music. 1. Urs festivals, celebrating the death anniversaries of Sufi saints. 2. Evening gatherings, regular qawwali sessions on specific days, e.g. Thursdays. 3. Personal prayers. Individuals request songs or recitations for spiritual needs. Cultural and spiritual significance, connection to God. Dargah music is seen as a medium to achieve spiritual ecstasy, wajd, and connect with the divine. Community bonding brings people of different faiths together. Preservation of Sufi heritage keeps alive centuries-old traditions of mystic poetry and music. Modern influence artists like Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, Abida Parveen, and Rahat Fateh Ali Khan have brought Dargah music to international stages. Movies like Rockstar 2011 and Jodha Akbar 2008 feature songs inspired by Dargah traditions such as Kun Fayakun and Khwaja Mere Khwaja. Would you like to explore specific dargas, notable performances, or popular qawwalis in greater detail?